Hello everyone. Today I'm talking about data read problems. What is data read problem? Data read in a database management system is a situation where transaction read to data that has been modified by another transaction but not yet committed. This can lead to incorrect or inconsistent result as the data may be rolled back by or changed by another transaction. It also called read write conflict. For an example, consider two transactions T1 and T2. T1 modified a row in a table that and start transaction but not yet committed. Meanwhile, T2 tries to read the same row of data before T1 it changes. If T2 is allowed to read uncommitted data, it will result in the data read potentially lead to incorrect or inconsistent result. Disadvantages: inaccurate data retrieval. Data reads can lead to the retrieval of data that might be changed or rollbacked by the time that transaction is committed. This can result misleading or incorrect information being presented to users. Data integrity. Data read can compromise data integrity as user may make decisions or take actions based on data that is subjected to change or reversal. This can lead to incorrect business procedure or decisions. Security risk. In same case, exposing that uncommitted data through data read might be lead to security risk, especially if the sensitive information is invoked. Unauthorized access, temporary or changing data can be explored. Increase rollback frequency. Transactions that relate to data read may need to be rolled back to more frequently, especially if the data they read to modified by the another transaction. This can lead to a inconfidence and increased system load. Difficulty in debugging and maintenance. Troubleshooting and debugging can become more challenging when the dealing with the data read as a inconsistency might be not be intermediate upgrade. Maintenance task and identify the resolving data is not easy. And the preventive methods use transaction and isolation level. Wrap database operations on transaction to ensure atomicity. Choose the appropriate isolation level for transaction. Higher isolation levels, such as serialization, provide a stronger consistency but may impact to performance. Optimistic concurrency. Use optimistic concurrency mechanism made to various of time stamps, which read data, check for changes made by another transaction before committing. Avoid long-running transactions. Minimize the time transaction hold logs of reduce the likelihood of conflicts, break down the complex transaction into a smaller, more manageable unit. In conclusion, data transaction when in conclusion, data transaction when one transaction reads data that been modified by another going transaction but not yet committed. This can lead to inconsistent, incorrect result. To addressing this database often to isolation level will higher level of providing more protection against data read, but potentially impacting performance. It essentially to choose appropriate isolation level based on uh, applications requirements of balance concurrency and a performance transaction system. Thank you.